Hello everyone, welcome to React Learning course. In the last video we added Radium package in our application, and also we started using it. We changed our button state, hover state. We used pseudo selectors from Radium package. Also we can use Radium package to use media queries in our application. In this video we will learn how we can this. I will do this in my person.js component here. Const style equal with the here I want to create media queries. Minimum weight should be 500 pixels, and after this I want to here create style. Weight in this case should be 45 pixels, like this. And now I want to assign this here in style equal with style. Now save this code, and here you need to drop your component with Radium package here, like this. And also I want to open my class.js component and import one more thing from Radium package, like import Radium and style root. And now wrap your all root div in style root component which provide by Radium package. Style root like this, and move this close tag here. And now save code, move to browser. We can see now here now we have minimum weight 45 pixel, like this. Okay, now resize your screens and see the effect here, how we can use media queries pictures from Radium package. Thank you for watching.